Hello mga ka-viewers. We are here in Okada, Manila, Part 2. Ma. Hello. Sa message, ma. Message.
Good morning po. Dito kami sa Okada. Mamasyal.
Part 2. Part 2. Ayan. Size of casino here. Very strictly this casino. So very strictly talaga.
Pwede mo kami tatlong meeting.
One, two, three. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. What?
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Yes. Yes. Look at this. They're rotating glass. Rotating. Yes, yes. Guys, oh.
Kuha mo yung ganyan tapos yan. Muna mga ako.
Sige po.
Para ba? Yan po. Yan, ganyan pababa. Para kuha mo yung langit. Ay, yung
langit. Sige po. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and Serio Vlog. Hit the notification bell. Like and share my video. O lang. Bye muna. Bye.